I hope my screen is visible. So first of all, I am give author's introduction. So Jacques Derrida was a French philosopher best known for developing from of semiotic analysis known as a deconstruction. So which is he analyzed numerous texts and developed in the context of phenomenology. He is one of the major figures associated with post-structuralism and post-modern philosophy. Here, his work, Speech and Phenomena. This work is a most important work, and second one is grammatology, writing and difference, meaning of philosophy, margin of philosophy. Notable idea is Derrida's so deconstruction, difference, of free play. So, what is a difference? So, difference is a French term coined by Jacques Derrida, deliberately homophones with the word difference. Difference play on the fact that the French word differ means both to differ and to differ. So, Derrida first used the term difference in the 1963 paper. So, the term difference then played a key role in Derrida's engagement with the philosophy of Edwards in speech and phenomena. So the term was elaborated in various other works, notably in his essay, Difference and various interview collected in a position. So the A of difference in a deliberate misspelling of difference. So thought the two are pronounced identically. So the highlight the fact that it is written from in not here and serves to further the traditional prevailing of speech over writing as well as the distinction between the sensible and he intelligible. So the difference articulity the a in a difference in not apparent to the sense via sound, but neither cannot it belong to intelligibility to the ideality, which is not fortunately associated with the observability of the theory of understanding. So, this is language of understanding is already caught up sensible metaphor. Definition of difference. So the endless differential of any ultimate meaning in a word or sentence, owing to the necessity of a resource to potential infinite series of other equally uncertain word or sign. Concept introduced by Derrida. A difference is a pun on difference and deferment. So, and is the that attribute of language by which meaning is generated because of a word difference of from other words is a signify system. So, and that same time, meaning is vitally and infinitive deferred of postponed is constantly under azures and can be a glimpse on only thought oporious or dead looks in understanding. So difference undermine that unity and coherence of text when the deconstructive reading is performed. So consequently, meaning is dismantled across the text and can be found only in a trace. So in the unending chain of signification. So, in the free play of meaning, one signifier leads to signified, which itself become is a signifier for another signified, and so on, such that the ultimate signified. So that which is transcend all signifiers in never attain. So, what is the signifier and a signified? So, Susasra, as the father of semiotic, in the lecture of his student at University of Geneva, between at that time he says that the theories that sign are a signifier and signify and signified. So signifier means one word. You can speak apple, and our mind is one symbol of a red and uh, uh, apple style. And another word you speak in cat, so our mind is a symbol of a cat. Two four legs, two ear, and two eyes, and you can see this symbol of cat. So signifier means one word, one symbol, and at that time you speak cat, so our mind is one symbol cat. Cat is this one and that one, so this is a signifier. So Derrida concept of difference. So Derrida, one word leads to another words, and words leads to it another. So and finally, we never come out of the dictionary. So meaning is always postponed. So you can speak a house at that time. At that time, our mind in which house is our house is a dog house, and white house, black house. So Derrida is a play on the French verb differ, which means both to differ. So and the differ, Derrida used both this meaning of describe his concept. Which word Derrida suggests in meaning is always differed, as a single word cannot give a complete description. So a word needs other words to give it a context. Therefore, its meaning is differed. So until more information is given, one example of the differ argument, the word house. So on it is often the word gives in incomplete definition. If you say my house, white house, or dog house, so in this picture become a more complete. And another example, I give a lion. So at that time you can search in dictionary lion. So you can find so many related word is a powerful. So you can type is a powerful word in dictionary. So you can find so many other words. And is a powerful is a one of king. So at that time you type in the dictionary king. So you can find so many related to another words. So this is lion is a signifier word, and signifier word to lead to another signifier word is a powerful, and powerful signifier lead to another word is a king. So that time this sequence is a long chain of signifier. And also Derrida has mentioned some another point. You can never pronounce means you speak it is differently, but you can only spell means write it is differently. So Derrida is not an idea or a concept, but a force which make a differentiation possible, which make a postponding possible. So it is both negative and positive. At that same time, the difference is neither positive or nor a negative. So you can say this is a negative or this is a positive, but a signifier is changes at that time. Negative and positive both are side is a change. You can say uh, fox word is a very negative word. So you type on fox in dictionary, at that time fox word find out so many other words, and this word you can type in dictionary. So this this word you can find so many another word. So this word is a positive. So Derrida says that difference theory is not any negative and any positive side. Difference is not in idea or concept, but force with which makes a differentiation possible, which makes a postponding possible. So here is my work citation. Thank you.